Assalamu alaikum. I am Nilüfer Yasmin. Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you fit and fine. Dear students, welcome to my online class. Today I discuss with you new chapter, weather and climates. Dear students, please take your science book. Open your book, page number 68. A weather forecast says rainfall activity may increase or light, fog likely or change in temperature unlikely. Weather is what the sky and air like each day. The sky might be shiny, sunny or cloudy. The air might be hot or cold. Dear students, if we consider the geographical position, sea level, height and distance, temperature and rainfall of Bangladesh, we find that its climate is moderate or equable. The main characteristics of the climate of Bangladesh are proper rainfall, moderate winter and wet summer. There is not such vapor in the air flowing from the north and the northwest direction during winter, November to February. So there is scarce rainfall. On the other hand, it rains heavily during the summer as there is much vapor in the air flowing from the south and the southwest direction. Moreover, sudden storms and cyclones strike from the northwest direction during March and April month. These are called nor'wester storms. These storms are accompanied by hailstorms. Depression is also formed in these storms are accompanied by hailstorm. Depression is also formed in the ocean during the summer. As a result, cyclones occasionally hit coastal areas. Some of the main characteristics of the climate of Bangladesh are discussed below. Dear students, in your textbook, page number 68, you can see activity, weather components. What to do? Make a table like the one shown below, components of weather. Share your idea with your parents or brothers, sisters. So dear students, now I discuss with you weather. Do you know what is weather? The daily condition of the atmosphere of a particular place is called weather. Dear student, I repeat it again. The daily condition of the atmosphere of a particular place is called weather. Now I discuss with you weather components. Weather can be described by sky conditions, temperature, humidity, and wind. These are called components of weather. Now I discuss with you sky condition. We can find different types of weather in weather forecasting section in the newspaper or the internet. Bangladesh Met Office uses weather icons to present different type of weather as shown below. Dear students, in your textbook, page number 69, you can see the picture of shiny, partly cloudy, rainy, thunderstorm image. In Bangladesh, thunderstorm in summer and rainfall in rainy season is common. Also, fog is common in winter, haze is common in dry season. You also can see a picture of fog. So, now I discuss with you temperature. Dear students, we feel hot or cold in our daily life. Temperature is how warm or cold the air is. We can describe the weather like a hot sunny day or cold sunny day. The highest temperature in Bangladesh during the summer is 34 degrees Celsius and the lowest is 21st degree Celsius. The highest temperature of the country occurs during April is 28 degrees Celsius. In Bangladesh, during the winter, the highest temperature is 29 degrees Celsius and the lowest is 11 degrees Celsius. January is the coldest month. The average temperature is 17.7 degrees Celsius during the month. During the winter in the southern part of the country near the coastal areas, temperature remains high and in the northern part it remains low. Bangladesh is divided into 5 regions according to the duration and intensity of coldness, such as T1, T2, temperature 1, temperature 2, temperature 3, temperature 4 and temperature 5. The duration and intensity of coldness is the lowest in temperature 1 region, and being gradually increased it becomes the highest in temperature 5 region. Now I discuss with you humidity. We describe the weather as humid when the air around us feels wet and sticky. Humidity is a measure of how much moisture is in the air. When you feel sweaty, humidity is high. When you feel dry, humidity is low. We use wet and dry to describe the weather. Humidity differs quietly with the change of season. The air has little vapor in winter. The air is quite humid in summer and rains. The humidity in the air is related with rainfall. The average comparative humidity of the air in winter is from 73% to 84%. It remains 83% to 89% in rainy season. Bangladesh frequently faces natural calamities like heavy downpour, shortage of rainfall, drought, flood, cyclone, etc. Dear students, now I discuss with you wind. Wind is moving air. Wind can be strong or weak. Wind can be measured by its direction and speed. Wind direction is the direction from which wind originates. For example, a northerly wind blows from the north to the south. Wind strength can be easily described by observing posting school flag, trees, and so on. Dear students, now I discuss with you causes of climate change. Due to industrial revolution, emission of greenhouse gases is rising because of man's luxurious lifestyle. The quantity of greenhouse gases is increasing in the air. Again, popularity is increasing every year. A huge amount of forest land is being exhausted for their food and habitation. So the balance of the absorption of carbon dioxide by tree is not maintained. The rise of the sea level, the melt of ices in the polar regions and the mountainous glaciers. Deforestations are being accelerated. As a result, Disasters like heavy downpour, drought, salinity, flood, increase of heat and excessive cool have become frequently. As a result, agricultural production is disturbed. A change is necessary to bring about a change in the method and management of agricultural production. Dear students, different regions according to the intensity and duration of coldness in Bangladesh and rainfall areas in Bangladesh. So dear students, no more today. Please note down today's homework. Today's homework, read page 68 to 69, and definitely you have to do activity from your textbook. So dear students, no more today. If you have any inquiry, please contact with me. Thank you.